Hello, everyone. So, this tower is near Catawba. This is a very tall AT&T microwave tower. I think this might be their tallest they built, but there's a small cement tower there at the base. They built these towers out of cement in 1949 because steel was in short supply for the war effort. And then several years later, this tall tower was added on. Let's see. Get it zoomed in. But these it's likely this site need additional height to improve the communication between Dayton and Columbus. The tall tower is 456 feet high, and the small tower is 104 feet high.